What if you could take control of your financial future without relying on big investment strategies or market timing? In 2026, the key to building wealth isn't about gambling on the stock market or waiting for the perfect time to invest. Instead, it's about mastering the micro decisions that occur daily, decisions you might not even notice at first. From your shopping habits to how you save, the seemingly small choices you make today can shape your financial future. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 everyday decisions that impact your financial future, ensuring you're not just living for today, but building a strong financial foundation for tomorrow. Let's dive in. 1. The pause to ponder, online checkout. In today's fast-paced, instant gratification world, online shopping has become easier than ever. With one-click buying and seamless checkout processes, it's all too easy to make impulse purchases. However, these quick decisions can seriously impact your long-term financial health. The solution? The pause to ponder strategy. Before you proceed to checkout, implement a 48-hour waiting period on any non-essential purchase. This pause gives your brain time to detach from the initial dopamine spike triggered by the desire for the item. Often, after the waiting period, you'll find that the urge to buy has faded. Over time, you'll notice fewer impulse buys and more savings accumulate in your account, all because of a simple 2-day waiting period. This decision not only keeps your spending in check, but also fosters a mindset of mindfulness around your financial choices. 2. Choosing high yield as a default. Many people make the mistake of leaving their idle cash in traditional savings accounts with minimal interest rates, especially in times when inflation is creeping up. While this may seem like a safe choice, it can be eroding your purchasing power without you even realizing it. To combat this, consider the decision to choose high yield as a default for your savings. When you have cash sitting in your account that you're not using for immediate expenses, move it into a high yield savings account, HYSA, or better yet, consider a structured CD ladder. By doing this, you ensure that your money is working for you rather than just gathering dust. A high-yield savings account offers significantly better returns than a traditional one, providing you with a hedge against inflation. 3. The subscription lockdown audit. Subscriptions are a silent drain on many people's finances. From streaming services to app subscriptions, cloud storage, and premium memberships, they often fly under the radar due to their small, recurring charges. While individually these costs may seem negligible, when added up over time, they can significantly impact your monthly budget. The subscription lockdown audit is a decision-making practice where you regularly review and cancel unused or unnecessary subscriptions. The key is to conduct this audit habitually, every 3 to 6 months, to identify subscriptions that no longer serve you. These can range from subscriptions to apps you've forgotten about, streaming services you no longer watch, or digital products that have lost their utility. This habit also helps prevent subscription creep, where small, incremental charges accumulate without you noticing, ultimately eroding your financial surplus. 4. Directing windfalls to goals. We all experience unexpected income at various points in our lives, whether the tax refund, a work bonus, or a raise. While it can be tempting to spend this extra money on luxuries or treats, the decision to direct at least 50% of any windfall directly to financial goals can make a significant impact on your wealth-building journey. When you receive unexpected income, instead of letting it slip into lifestyle inflation, where your spending increases alongside your income, allocate it towards debt reduction, investing, or saving for future goals. This decision ensures that your windfalls work for you rather than against you. By proactively using unexpected income to build wealth, you're making a deliberate effort to protect your financial future. The impact of this decision is clear. It helps you combat lifestyle inflation and make sure that any additional income you receive isn't frittered away. Whether you use it to pay down debt, build your emergency fund, or invest in assets, this practice keeps your long-term goals front and center, helping you grow wealth steadily over time. 5. Prioritizing preventative maintenance. A key part of financial control is understanding that it's often the small, regular maintenance that prevents larger, more catastrophic expenses in the future. This applies to everything from your health and vehicle to your home. By spending a small amount of money on regular maintenance today, you can avoid costly repairs or emergency expenses down the road. For example, Scheduling and paying for regular dental checkups, car oil changes, and home inspections may feel like minor expenses, but they prevent major, high-cost issues later on. Preventative maintenance ensures that you're not caught off guard by costly repairs or medical emergencies that can derail your financial progress. The impact of this decision is long-term peace of mind. By maintaining your assets and well-being, you protect yourself from large, unplanned expenses that could set back your savings or investment goals. Rather than waiting for something to break down or fall apart, being proactive saves you money and keeps you financially secure. 6. The social script choice. Social pressure is one of the most subtle ways that people end up spending beyond their means. Expensive dinners, group trips, and social outings can feel impossible to decline, especially when you don't want to be the person who always says no. However, the social script choice can help you avoid succumbing peer pressure while still maintaining your relationships. The decision is simple. Create pre-written positive no script for social situations where spending may get out of hand. Instead of feeling guilty about turning down a pricey outing, you have a well-crafted script to help you decline gracefully. For example, if a friend invites you to an expensive dinner, you could respond with something like, "I'm currently focused on saving, but how about we catch up over a walk or a game night instead?" This decision helps you maintain financial boundaries without damaging your relationships. It empowers you to say no without feeling awkward or left out. Over time, these scripts become second nature, making it easier to protect your financial goals while staying socially connected. 7. Digital wealth safeguarding. In 2026, digital security is more important than ever. With the rise of AI-generated phishing scams and data breaches, safeguarding your financial information is a crucial part of protecting your wealth. The decision to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and regularly check your login sessions on financial apps can make a world of difference. By enabling 2FA, you add an extra layer of security to your accounts, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access to your information. Additionally, performing a monthly check of active login sessions helps ensure that no suspicious activity has occurred. In a world where digital threats are ever present, this decision is essential for protecting your assets. The impact of safeguarding your digital wealth is immense. Preventing data breaches or fraud could save you thousands of dollars in potential losses. This decision is an investment in your financial future, as it helps to secure your wealth and reduce the risk of financial damage from digital threats. 8. The unit of life filter. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, how many hours of work will this cost me? This is the core idea behind the unit of life filter. By converting the cost of an item into the number of hours you need to work to afford it, you shift your perspective from abstract currency to your finite time. For example, if an item costs $100 and you earn $25 per hour, it would take you 4 hours of work to afford it. When you consider the time it takes to earn money for an item, it can change how you view that purchase. You may realize that the item isn't worth 4 hours of your time, and that your money could be better spent elsewhere. The impact of this decision is that it helps curb impulse spending by bringing your attention back to the value of your time. It forces you to make more intentional and mindful choices, ensuring that you're using your money and time for high-impact, meaningful purchases rather than fleeting desires. There you have it. The top 8 everyday decisions that impact your financial future. By incorporating decisions like the pause to ponder strategy and choosing a high-yield account for your savings, you can start building a more secure financial future today. These everyday choices, when made consistently, will compound over time to create lasting financial stability. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to master your financial future. Let me know in the comments which decision you're going to implement first, and I'll see you in the next video.